What's the meaning of alter? Alter. 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 Alter.
The word alter means to change or modify something. The result of altering can vary depending on the context in which it is used. Altering can result in a positive or negative change, and it can have both short-term and long-term effects. For example, altering an outfit by adding accessories or changing the color can enhance its overall look. On the other hand, altering a recipe by using the wrong ingredients can result in a disastrous outcome. Overall, altering involves making a change to something that ultimately influences its overall state or outcome.